This needle-free acupuncture is the most amazing way to relieve stress naturally. So I was overindulging in wine and comfort food after a really tough breakup, and I just could not cope with the stress. And then on top of that, my job was super stressful, and I just was resorting to a lot of unhealthy habits. And I kept telling myself I was gonna get healthy, but the stress made me so tired, and it was just this cycle of exhaustion. I also have this thing called body anxiety where like my mind, yes, races, but my body also does too. And I find it super difficult to just sit down and relax. And that caused all sorts of problems, not to mention some physical discomfort. I just could not seem to calm down properly. My friend showed me this device called CoolCura, which she uses to relax without pills or complicated rituals. I gave it a try and could not believe how well it worked. All you have to do is wear this comfy neck pillow. The CoolCura hits your Feng Fu pressure point, which has been used for thousands of years to relieve pain, stress, headaches, insomnia, and so much more. I use this every day after work, and it's made such a difference. It's like a complete reset button, so much better than my old habits of wine and Netflix. The best part is that it's actually backed by science, safe to use for stress relief every day, and really good for you. So if you are feeling overwhelmed from stress, then try CoolCura. It will calm you down in minutes.
This relaxing, needle-free acupuncture is the most amazing way to relieve stress naturally. Say goodbye to the wine and the chocolate. I was overindulging in wine and comfort food after a difficult breakup. I couldn't cope with the stress. My job is super stressful, and I was resorting to some unhealthy methods of coping with it. I kept telling myself I need to get healthy, but the stress made me so tired. I was stuck in a cycle of stress and exhaustion. I struggle with something I call body anxiety. Yes, my mind races, but my body races too. I rarely feel comfortable sitting still, which causes me all sorts of problems, not to mention physical discomfort. I can never really calm down properly. A friend of mine showed me a device called CoolCura, which she uses to relax without pills or complicated rituals. I gave it a try, and I couldn't believe how relaxed I felt. All you do is put on this comfy neck pillow, and the CoolCura rests on your Feng Fu pressure point, which has been used for thousands of years to relieve stress, anxiety, headaches, insomnia, and so much more. I use it every day now after work, and it's incredible what a difference I feel. It's like a reset button. It works even better than my old ritual of wine and Netflix. And it makes the wine even better when I do go for it. The best part? It's totally safe to use for stress relief daily. It's backed by science, and it's good for you. If you're feeling overwhelmed lately, try CoolCura. It can calm you down in just a few minutes.
So last week I started wearing this weird little neck pillow thing for 20 minutes a day, and now my back pain is completely gone. This little metal ball worked when nothing else has, truly, for my back pain. I got into an accident about 5 years ago, and I've been struggling with lower back pain ever since. I've already had to quit playing tennis, and I've had concerns that walking would soon be a challenge. And my upper back as well has been giving me daily issues and just limiting what I can do day to day, and I don't want to take pills every day. I know that's not healthy. But at physical therapy recently, my doctor had asked if I had ever tried Feng Fu therapy, and I hadn't. I didn't know what that was, and he suggested that I try CoolCura for 20 minutes a day. And he told me that the Feng Fu pressure point in the back of your neck can hold on to and build up stress and can be responsible for pain and problems in the body. And by cooling at that point, you can release a lot of the aches and pain. So I decided to give it a try. All I had to do was pop it in the freezer and take it out, put it into the neckband and wear it for 20 minutes. And it feels like I have a completely new back. My back hasn't felt this good in 10 years. That's not an exaggeration. Like, this has been incredible. So if you're suffering from back pain or aches from an injury or stress, you need to try CoolCura. It has changed everything.